Hello my super people, welcome back to another super video and week 2 of weekly videos. That was a lot of supers. Today we're going to be talking about how fast Wonder Woman really is. So I'm not talking about Wonder Woman, or Wonder Woman from the Wonder Woman standalone film. I'm talking about Justice League Wonder Woman. But to do this, we do need to go back to the Wonder Woman standalone film. In this film, Wonder Woman realizes her true powers after Steve dies. No, not Steve Rogers. It's not Marvel. Just get that out of your head. But Steve what's-his-face. Anyways, she never really is that fast in a standalone film. Actually, for the most part, she has the speed of a regular human being, except for that fight at the end against what's-his-face. Sorry, I haven't watched the movie in so long, and I didn't write it into my script. And actually, this is unscripted too. One second. But of course, in the last fight of the movie, she is faster than that, but she still isn't crazy fast. But in Justice League, she is actually super fast. We see Wonder Woman come into a hostage bomb situation and wreck the place. When she bursts into the building, there is 12 seconds left on a timer before a bomb goes off. She uses 1 second to look at the building and see what she's dealing with, another 2 seconds to take out 2 men, 1 more second to look at the clock, 3 more to take out the rest of the men, 1 more again to read the clock, and then 2 to get up to the top level of the building and throw a bomb before it explodes. This means that in 3 seconds she took down 6 men, with 2 seconds of travel in between them all. So she was roughly running at 1 foot per every 0.01 second. So if that math is right, she's only traveling at 1 mile per hour. And I'm not one for math, so I'm saving my skills for later in the video, but we will find out her speed. So this isn't really a good example of her speed because her speed isn't at her fullest here. Her speed still isn't at her fullest here. And her actual speed travel, it seems quite slow using numbers. So moving on from this example. The main example of her speed we're going to be looking at comes from right after the bomb, when she fights the man with the gun. The man here is using what looks to be an M16, although it might also be an automatic assault rifle. M16 is, hold on. Okay, I do not know what I was thinking whenever I made the script. An M16 is an assault rifle, but I think I meant to say a different type of, or a different gun. Anyways, an M16 can unload around 700 to 950 rounds per minute. So assuming this time the gun offloads the middle of what it can do, it is offloading 825 rounds a minute, or roughly 14 rounds a second. I just watched the movie the day before, or the day I am writing the script and the day before I'm filming this, but I roughly remember seeing 30 or so bullets fired and blocked by Wonder Woman in the scene. So this translates to 1 bullet every 0.07 seconds. So she had exactly 2.1 seconds to block 30 bullets. Now, also keep in mind that the average bullet travels at 1,700 miles per hour. So for her to block this, she would need to be 500 feet away, have 0.2 seconds to block, and be twice the speed of the fastest human being. Now take that, and she has to block 30 within 2 seconds from roughly 5 feet away. Yeah, from roughly 5 feet away. Sorry, I thought there was more to that. And so now we have something else to look at before we can actually get her speed. So the Flash travels at around maybe 400 to 600 miles per hour. And from the info we have from Wonder Woman's feats, Wonder Woman travels at around 1/4 or so of Flash's speed. I know this is lots of info to take in, but here's the gist of it. Wonder Woman is over 100 miles per hour, and we know this from the facts that just listed with the M16 case. As for the double the speed of the fastest person, 56 miles per hour, they would need over 1 second to dodge 1 bullet at 10 feet. So at double that, 112 miles per hour, she can dodge a bullet. But to guard against that bullet, she would need a few more miles per hour. So saying that she is at 115 or 120 miles per hour, it would make sense. And as to the Flash, or the speed of Flash compared to her own, 1/4, or let's say it's 120 times 4 would be 480, which is roughly what we see because the Flash is very, very, very slow in Justice League. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I know this was kind of a shorter video, and I know it's kind of confusing with lots of numbers, but I hope you guys liked it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more weekly videos.